Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Goodyear Territory tires, 2-inch lift, tow hooks, integrated brake controller, heated seats, and so much more. Now check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have our paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wooden chrome accent. And onto the interior, you got these premium leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side, you'll have your vents. And down below, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as your drive mode selector and lighting controls. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 matte black paddle shifters. Now the whole speedometer is digital here, so you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your drive info, as well as your timer, gauges, adaptive cruise, and all that fun stuff. As well as you can see your music, navigation, phone connectivity, and then you have other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Google Assistant, and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance and the hitch camera, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa, and with your trailering app. With your integrated brake control on the bottom, your dual zone climate control, as well as 2 USB ports. Above that, lane keep assist, auto stop, and hill descent control. And the center console with the new shifter, cup holder, as well as a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Storage in there. Passenger side, manually adjustable, same leather heated finish. Wooden chrome across the doors. It's going to go across the dash as well. Speakers and vents up top, as well as some storage behind the infotainment system. And here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your OnStar and SOS, and your rear sliding window. So you're getting these black 18-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory tires, your black Z71 badging, the paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handles. Your Trail Boss badging with the black corner step bumper with the chrome exhaust tips. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. Of course, the tailgate. Around 12 bed tie downs, 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall charger. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, we're going to have paneling again on the bottom, right next to the speakers, up with the power windows and the chrome, the wood, up in the back. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, rear cup holders, rear ventilation and USB ports, as well as right in the center, cup holder and armrest. Storage behind the seats, storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Google Assistant and Maps, trailer tow with integrated brake controller, tow hooks, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.